When was the first time you thought to yourself, I need the icy cool sweetness and caffeine fix of a Frappuccino? When was the first time you thought to yourself, I need to tweet that? When was the first time that you realized your cell phone needed two cameras? One to take a picture of other people and one to take a picture of yourself. These are all examples of opportunities for value that I think most of us never saw coming. How do we find these opportunities for value? How do we discover these new opportunities to create innovations and disrupt the market? Gunpei Yokoi was riding on a train in Japan, and he was sitting in his seat, and he noticed across from him was a businessman. And what he thought was odd is the businessman was busily pecking away at his calculator. But that wasn't what was odd. What was odd was there was no books or papers or anything around him. This guy's just pecking away. And Gunpei was a little bit curious, and he looked over on the screen to see, what's this guy doing? And as he looked over, he saw he was just making shapes with the letters and the numbers. He was just playing a game. Yokoi worked for a company called Nintendo. Nintendo had started out as a playing card manufacturer, and then it moved into toys. And Yokoi was one of their brand new toy designers. And as Yokoi sat there looking at that businessman pecking away at his calculator, he saw the joy on his face, and he realized all that this gentleman wanted was something to entertain him while he was there. But he also looked and he noticed that that calculator was very simple. From a technology standpoint, he could just rearrange those buttons in the screen and make a game. And that's when Yokoi went back to Nintendo and put together a team to build a portable video games. So people like this businessman would have something to play on the train. They came out with a few prototypes, but in the late 80s, they hit pay dirt. They introduced the Nintendo GameBoy, which became the #1 portable game platform in the world. How was he able to do it? How was he able to see this opportunity that no one else did? Well, remember, he initially saw that this person, all they wanted to do was play a game. And he also saw the technology. He realized what was possible. And the key for him creating the innovation was in connecting what was possible, what was valuable with what was possible. Because innovation comes between the connection of these two.